No idea, Christopher, that we had alligators up here in the Northwest, but I guess we do.
I guess people are raising them. Yeah, I'm glad that the alligator's safe and that the owner didn't let it out into the wild. That's the last thing we need are widespread alligators in Western Washington. We have a cloudy start to the day, a dry start to our afternoon after several days of a lot of rain, but there is more rain in that forecast. Live look, you can see we have a little boat there departing. You can see the Space Needle in the background, the Great Wheel, a ferry just recently docked. Pretty nice early afternoon, 49 degrees, mainly cloudy, but there are a couple sun breaks that are starting to pop out. Notice the pressure is increasing as we have a quick hitting area of high pressure building in, leading to those dry conditions right now. That's going to zip to the south and east as we work our way throughout the day, and more rain showers move on later this evening. Temperatures are seasonally cool right now. 43, cool spot in Bremerton, 52 in Forks, good early afternoon Everett, 49, staying in Snohomish County, 55 in Arlington, 52, popular number down I-5 in Olympia, as well as Chehalis and Puyallup. We have that area of high pressure building overhead that's allowing for the dry conditions right now, but we have another cold front moving in, a weak cold front, and that's going to increase those rain chances this evening with a second stronger system for our Thursday and Friday, and this has a lot of moisture with it. It's going to pump right into the coast throughout the day. On Thursday, we're talking about some heavy rainfall rates for parts of western Washington throughout the day, Thursday into Friday morning. So as that system that is in the Gulf of Alaska starts to dive to the southeast, it's going to tap into a very weak atmospheric river. Those are those dark green colors you see out over the northeastern Pacific. Watch what happens. It kind of steers it into western Washington and the Pacific Northwest, and that means the rainfall rates, they are going up. Once that moisture clashes with the coast, it kind of moves up that higher terrain. That is going to rain and drain some rain and increase those snow levels. So let's go ahead and track it out. We have that weak cold front moving in later on this evening. That's going to increase the rain chances just after dinner time, 9 p.m. Notice a few isolated showers across the area, isolated to scattered in nature. So just anticipate that there will be that possibility that you're dodging a few raindrops later on this evening. We hold on to those rain chances at times throughout the overnight hours, and by the time you're heading to work or school tomorrow morning, or you're taking the dog out on a walk, we could see some isolated showers. Again, spotty in nature, but again, there could be one or two showers to start the day Thursday. And then this is that next system that moves in. Look at those red, yellow, orange colors. That's that atmospheric moisture just pumping into the area as that next system dives to the southeast. So it's initially going to start Thursday for the northern tip of the Olympic Peninsula, slowly shifting south and east throughout the day on Thursday into the overnight hours, and by Friday morning, looks like even though it starts to weaken a little bit, that Puget Sound, including Seattle, Tacoma, Everett, start to get in on some of that moderate, if not heavy rain at times. And it looks like we're going to see 1 to 2 inches of rain, some isolated 3-inch amounts for parts of the Olympic Peninsula, extending into the northwest interior, central and northern Cascades as the snow levels actually skyrocket to 6,000 feet. So that's where we see the heaviest rain. And then as that starts to lose its punch as it works south and east, notice that we generally see about 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/2 an inch for some isolated areas for Puget Sound, extending to areas farther south and east, but going to be a pretty wet period. Again, this is going to be from Thursday into Friday. Also going to see some gusty winds as that cold front zips in with this system. So late Thursday morning could see some wind gusts between 25, 30, maybe up to 40 miles per hour for the typical areas that see some of the stronger winds near the strait, the coast extending into the San Juan Islands. And even Seattle and Everett could see some gusty winds by Thursday afternoon. So just keep that in mind. There's an isolated chance for a power outage, not expected to be widespread. Temperatures today, low to mid 50s for highs, sun breaks possible until the rain chances increase. 7-day forecast looking pretty good, folks. A lot of rain, temperatures in the 50s, and for Halloween looks like it could be wet for those trick-or-treaters.